Yo, what's up, YouTubers? This is our new bikes. Let me show you the tour. These are our bikes from the side. My brother's bike is right there, and mine is on my dad's truck. And here's... there they are from the front. That one is my twin brother's, and that one's mine. And now these are our new car horns. Well, our old one broke. Instead, we got new ones. This is my twin brother Hudson's, and he has like a cool bike. And this, what his horns sound like. That was his bike. Now this is my bike. I call it the Hamilton bike. It's a nice mountain bike. Mine is really loud. Listen. That was mine. Mine was the loudest. And these are our new bicycles. I hope you like this video. Bye-bye.